I'm salty.
It is an improvement. Like, you should be proud. Because you could still be hardstick bronze. I'm hardstick silver, I feel like. It's so hard. Because I keep, like, up and down, up and down, up and down. I'm like, I can't be consistent. Like, I can't have consistent teammates. Big yikes.
I'm salty.
Ew, that's an any elo. It's just, it's worse when it's lower. Because they actually think they're fucking good at the game and being in silver. It's embarrassing. Also, how are you, Adam? Also, how are you, Adam? Silver, bronze, it's the same. The real game begins at plat, I heard. The real game begins, the real game begins never. You're gonna be stuck with trash people who either got boosted to plat or diamond, and when you get to diamond master challenger, there's still fucking idiots in that fucking elo too, so it doesn't even matter because everybody ints in this game, no matter what point in time. You're all trash, we're all bad at this game. Riot made a shit game that we're all addicted to, and I fucking hate it.
I'm salty.
Actually making other games? Nice. Ew, help me! I didn't even see him there. Oh, I'm so dead. What the fuck? Why did they chase me so hard? Those assholes?
I'm salty.
Trying to add overload champs and unhealthy mechanics that can't be fixed unless they... Dude, hear me out, alright? Riot, are you listening? Listen. League of Legends 2. Where's my fucking team? Go in, you pussies! Ew, I hope this Lux dies and loses all her stacks. Yeah, fuck you.
I'm salty.
Nope. Oh my god, I literally can't kill anybody, and this is shit. GG.
I'm salty.
Cause I uninstalled a lot of games. I uninstalled HOTS, WoW, Hearthstone, the other games. I'm dead. I don't know why we're pushed. There's no reason for us to be pushed. Time I played HOTS, you were like, no real players on casual matches, so if you're not high enough level for ranked, you're really just playing with bots. What a shit time. Oh, yeah, that's true. Also, the games were so slow. Like, they were rough. Earlier, but I don't know. There's not much I could do there. That's why ADCs are fucking garbage, dude.
I'm salty.
Unless your team has some coordination to pressure E jungle, he might just get ahead. Why was that E better than the one that I had earlier? Like, hello? Hat Master U is inspiring. Yeah, I guess. Inspiring me to ban him every game. could be wrong, SushiCam. Yeah, you play Yi. You like take about at max 1 brain cell to play that champion. That is cancer, but the multiple things you can do to shut him down so early. I don't know what to tell you. Hi Korean, how are you? Sure, but like, I don't know what your argument is. I'm still not impressed by your plays because you still played Yi. Like,
I'm salty.
it wasn't even the fact that you played Yi. There was like so many other people in that game that were so much more fed and like did more things than you did. You're telling me to grow the fuck up when you're in my stream fucking shit talking for no reason? You're a platinum jungler. Wow, I'm so impressed. Playing in silver elo as Yi. Like, get the fuck out of here. What a child, bro. Like, how can you be so impressed with yourself playing in low elo as platinum? Like, did you peak? Is that why you made a smurf and you're playing Yi to make yourself feel better about yourself because you can't climb any higher than plat? Oh, honey. I'm sorry. How many times have I been playing? How many games have I been playing? I don't know. I mean, that's my only explanation. Like, how are you gonna smurf in a silver and play Yi of all champs and be like, yeah, get shit on? Like,
I'm salty.
what a dumbass. I didn't want to ban Yi. Yi wasn't my problem that game. Caitlyn was. Caitlyn did so much fucking damage. You know who my fucking problem was? That giant ass Cho'Gath. Or maybe the Diana that was on my ass? Yeah, maybe one of those champions that were a little bit more effective and like, I don't know, required skill. But not a platinum Yi and low elo. That's a little bit sad. I'm sorry.
I'm salty.
I can like talk the most shit. I can out-talk you. Like, I will out-talk you. And I think I love that the most because I can't flame in game anymore. Then I'll just like flame you right now. That's the way I leak my stream. Like, I don't expect any follows. But that guy was just an idiot. Like, I feel bad for him that he's peaked in plat. Bro. No, I forgot. And I don't know why I had Smite on to begin with. Because I wasn't jungling. But it's fine. We'll get every objective on the map. Hi, Rafiki. How are you? Doge? Oh yeah, the Doge dance. I'm sorry, I'll do the Doge dance right now. Hold on. I saw that, but I was too busy flaming that fucking idiot. Imagine being hard stuck plats like so bad that you had to play in lower elos to feel better about yourself. So sad. Okay, I'm here. There's almost drunk ready to get some LP. I told you to play Shen. Shen jungle. She dances for subs. No, I dance for channel points. Silly goose. Man, if I wanted to fucking dance for money, you think I'd be here? New low. A new low. Smurfing on Yi in ranked. Keepy hands, who hurt you? Who hurt you? Anyways, I'm over that game.
I'm salty.